Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Yusuf channel. This video is all about React Router version 7. The Router version 7 has officially launched and now we can use the features of React Router 7 features. In this video, I will explain you what new features has been added to the version 7 of React Router. Okay, so let's start. So the first of all, just come here to the React version 7. It says want to expect from this version, okay, from version 7, non-breaking. Non-breaking means that if you would like to upgrade from 6 to 7, so you don't need, you or not, it means there is no pressure on you to upgrade from React 6 to 7, and the code which was used in version 6 is same to version 7. It means there isn't a lot of changes that you need to make in your code to upgrade to version 7. It means the code which was in version 6, that is same to the version 7, but there are the features that are useful for you. There are the features to use in version 7. It means extra features in version 7 that you can take benefit from that to use them. Okay, if you would like to upgrade from 6 to 7, there isn't a big changes that you need to make. Okay, the code is same, the flow is same. uh, the second one is bridge to React 19. It means that if you would like to move from React version 18 to React 19, so you can go step by step. Okay, it means that you don't need to do everything at once. Okay, for example, you have a big project and you would like to upgrade it to the 19. So with this, you can do it incrementally. Okay, it means step by step, not at once to sit and you have to do everything at once and at one day then you can upgrade. No, you can do it gradually, step by step, to just move to the React 19. The third one is the type safety. Okay, the type safety, it says new Typegen provide first class type for route programs, loader data actions and more. It says Typegen is a tool which provide automatically types for uh, parameters, okay, route parameters, loader data actions and other things. So it automatically just add the a type. Okay, and whenever you are using the TypeScript, so it will add automatically the types. So it means that this is the type safety feature also. Just come here down, it says I am new, I am on version 6, I want to adapt new the framework features, I am stuck. So here are about all about the React router, okay, developed by Shopify, contributors, download, stars and GitHub, dependents on GitHub. Okay, so just come here to this one, so click this one, adapt to framework adoption. So the first and the big news about React Router is that I will just come here to the latest version 7. Yeah, here. So React Router home. Okay, so the first and the big news feature about React Router is that now you can use it as framework and as library. Okay, we have two things. You can use it, you have two choice. You can use it as a framework, you can use it as a library. What does this mean? Okay, it means that the framework, okay, if you would like to use it as a framework, so you don't need, like before we were using Next.js or Remix. Okay, Remix is just built on the top of React Router. It is also a full stack framework, but now we don't need to use Next.js or Remix, but the React Router itself is a full stack framework. It means that we can write the server side code also, and we can use it as a library, as a front end also. It is a framework now. And the second, if you would like to use as a library, so that is the same as we were using in our code in React.js. So as a library, okay, just for routing. So we have two choices. And down from that, we have to upgrade from version 6 to upgrade from Remix. Okay, Remix, which is a framework which is built on the top of React Router. So now the Remix is merged with React Router. We can just install React Router and we can use all the features of full stack use as a framework, as a library. So this is all about React Router as a framework. So if you want to use as a framework, look at installation routing. Here you have all the guide if you want to use as a framework: installation, routing, route modules, rendering strategies, data loading, actions, navigation, pending UI, testing, custom framework. So you can do all these things. And if you want to use as a library, so you can use it. We always use as a library. So simply, you don't need, before we were using we were installing React Router DOM, but now we will just simply install React Router. We don't need DOM. Okay, the DOM, just install React Router. You can use the React Router all features. Okay, look at, before we were importing browser router from React Router DOM, now we can import it from React Router. So the code is the same. Okay, compared to the routing, code is the same browser, router, routes, and route. We can do all the things. Look at this is the layout, and there might be a little bit changes, but this is nested. Okay, the nested route has been improved. Like now we can use the nested route like this. Look at, just come here in the outlet. Okay, the dashboard, we can use the outlet as like this. These are for nested routes, indexed routes. Okay, everything is the same. Okay, nothing has been changed. There are slight changes. Okay, splat linking, we can use navigation, you can navigate. Okay, now link, whenever you have an active state, you can use now link. And if you don't have the active class, if you don't need active class, you can use link. And also use navigate. To this hook allows the programmer to navigate the user to a new page without the user interaction. Okay, we can use the use navigate like this, import it navigate, then you can use navigate to slash dashboard. And also you are able to use like use params and search params like the search. Okay, here is the upgradation. Okay, if you would like to upgrade it from version 6 to version 7, so here it has all the guide that you can upgrade it. Okay, just look through this documentation, so you will have all the things. And finally, we have congratulations, you on version 7. Okay, there are slight changes, nothing big. Okay, like here we are using React provider from React Router DOM, now just from React Router. Like here DOM, and there are some changes, okay, that you need to do. Just go through the documentation. Also, if you want to upgrade from framework and other things that you need to just I explored through the documentation. So it was a new feature that now React Router work as a framework also. Okay, you can use it as a framework and as a library. So it was all about the version 7. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Okay, for more videos, and we will make on React Router version 7 also. In the next videos we will explain it. Okay.